Alright, this is a package opening and assembly of something interesting and maybe very important. Let's see. This is a bag from the Tractor Supply Company. It's a nice bag. And I got 4 things when I went there yesterday, I think it was. One is a pressure nozzle, a JobSmart blow gun with extension, 2-foot length, 1/4-inch NPT air inlet. Okay, let's see. The next thing I got is a 7-piece kit. These are red, 1/4-inch body, 1/4-inch NPT. And I got this as well. It's Teflon tape. But what's really going to make this work is this. This is a for veterinary use only. So, you know, if you're dying, you don't want to use this on yourself. But this is an ideal instruments, a syringe. Actually, it has nothing to do with this, but I just wanted to bring it up because I need that for another video I'll be doing shortly. This is the box opening. Okay, with the pieces and parts, I just used 1 piece out of the 7-piece kit. I'm going to put that in a drawer. This came with the blow gun. It's a rubber tip. I'll take that down. And the tape. I'm going to show you how to properly, or at least how I install the Teflon tape. It stops leaking of gas. From right here, 5/8 will hold the blow gun front end. 9/16 is the size right here for the 1/4-inch MPT. You can also use a 14 millimeter. That fits well. What I'm going to do is to take this tape and spin it, applying the tape in the same direction I would tighten it down. So this is clockwise if you look at it this way, and I'm going to cover it with just a few wraps like so, and then I'm going to cut this off with a razor blade. Alright, let me do that off camera. Sharp. Okay, first, safety. The knife is safe. Second, the Teflon wrapped around the 1/4-inch MPT. Number 3 is to insert and install the adapter into, it's tightening up right now, into the adapter, MPT 1/4-inch, MPT 1/4-inch blow gun. I'm going to set this here, hold this down with the 5/8 inch ratchet, and tighten this down. I'm just going to keep going till it's good and tight. Good and tight, I hear, is a German term, good and tight or something like that, but I don't know. So I'm going to come here and squeeze the two units together, like here. Hold on. Like here. Until it's good and installed. Just keep going. Of course, it's the opposing thumb is a very important thing. All the cows I have do not have an opposing thumb. Matter of fact, I read some book somewhere at some time, I'm making this up now, the opposable thumb is like important to mankind, or excuse me, humankind, as opposed to gorilla kind or whatever. But, okay, that's good and tight. All right. Hey, that holds pretty good. So I'm done with this, and I'm gonna record this video and put it up on the internet. Thanks for watching.